So I'm going to go into the bathroom and check out the shower apparatus. It seems to be having some issues, so I was able to use WD-40 and get this thing moving. That's great news. It's still loose. I don't know if you can see it, but it just moves, as does this. They kind of move in unison, which I don't like the wobbly feel. Also, these screws need to be tightened, and they're behind this, so I can't get in there without stripping it. It's not cocked here or here, which is odd. So it is cocked here. So that's sort of unusual. So the real question is how do I get this off, possibly get this off? Do I need to turn the water off in the house? I don't even know how to do that. And hopefully I don't need to turn the water off, but I want to get this thing off at least so I can tighten these and maybe have a look back here. So that's about it for now. I'll try to post this on YouTube, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you.